Hey there, Stan Dale, President of Florida SunCoast Chapter. Hope you're doing well. I know I am. What an amazing month we've had. A couple of drives, couple of up to the North Carolina mountains, all over the place. Invasion, just cool. Here we are today in Fort Myers, BMW Fort Myers for the Gen M tour, where we have all kind of folks, members and all kind of folks in the community coming in driving the M cars. So M cars, X cars, it's just an amazing thing. So we'll take a sweep as we do this of all the activities that are going on here today. We have just an amazing turnout this morning. All of our chapter members, a bunch of our chapter members, not all of them, but a bunch of our chapter members, and then other folks coming in to drive the Generation M cars. So just like that, the chapter is doing, we have just an amazing catalog of things coming up. Check the calendar below, because there's just more things than I can mention right now. I will say, let me just run out a week or two to the Cars and Coffee in Sarasota on the first Saturday of the month. There will be a drive that will follow that out to St. Petersburg. It's an X drive heading out to St. Petersburg Beach for lunch. And then also next week on the Bradenton breakfast, we'll drive from there to Solomon's Castle just after that breakfast in Bradenton on Saturday. So just check all the stuff down below. It's more than I can remember, more than I could get into this video. So come on out, don't waste some time. We're having some great time. Until then, happy motoring, y'all.